what dog does to baby toy? Well, now you know. Try to fit it under the bed, Axel. When
He's going under the bed with it. He's going to chew that thing to pieces.
We're getting it under the bed now. Looks like the other dog wants it now.
There goes Tyre. Get it, go get it. Reese, get it. No, Reese, get it. He's going to tear it up.
Oh. Was that more than that came out? Mom.
Axel, enough.
Well, that was another funny video for my YouTube channel now. And
You can't get it from him. You better get it before he gets under the bed.
are you still videoing?
Mhm.
Give me it.
It's making noise. Axel, enough, bud.
Yeah.
Okay, no. We'll get you one.
No, my.
That's
We'll get-
Axel.
We'll get you
That's
some-
his dog.
And don't forget
Here.
mine.
Yeah. He'll give him a hug. I didn't get that one.